How to check what triggered someone into a campaign. Within your system, there are multiple ways to add someone into a campaign, whether through a bulk request, manually adding them, a trigger, and more. You may want to check how someone was triggered into a campaign or added to a campaign for several reasons. Follow these simple steps to view the internal source or how that contact was added into a campaign. The first step is clicking into your campaign's page. Step 2. Click to the number under the total column for the specific campaign that you wish to view. Step 3. Under the column Internal Source, you can click the hyperlink for the contact that you wish to view. This may be one of several things. The most common options that you'll see are bulk action or trigger if the contact was triggered into the campaign, or perhaps even insert name in the contact detail page if you or somebody else who uses your system manually added them in the contact record. This would say added by John Smith in the contact detail page, for example. If you clicked the trigger option, you will be redirected to the specific trigger that put that contact in the campaign. If you click John Smith in the contact detail page, you'll be taken to the contact record for the contact. It's as easy as that to know what triggered someone into a campaign. Now you know, you're all set.